Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to install Affiliate for a WooCommerce plugin. Using this plugin, you can start affiliate program on your WooCommerce website. People will join the affiliate program on your website. They will start promoting your products on their social media platforms, YouTube channel, blog, or any other marketing platform. And by selling your products, they will start earning affiliate commission. This is the basic concept of the affiliate program. The Affiliate for WooCommerce plugin is the original plugin which is also available on the official WooCommerce website. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this plugin, how you can set up affiliate programs, how users will be able to join the affiliate program. Here you will see some features of this plugin. It is self-manageable. You can create affiliate referral links and coupons. You can set up affiliate commission rules. Lifetime commissions option is also available. You can also create marketing campaigns. You can also set up automated commission payouts. And there is a simplified affiliate dashboard. It also supports 15 plus languages. You will get customizable affiliate registration form, pretty affiliate links, referral coupons and landing pages. Flexible commission rules, tiered or lifetime commission rule is also available. Set hundreds of commission plans based on products, brands, revenue, order count, payment methods, and referral coupons. Multi-tier commission option is also available. You can also set up custom recurring commissions. If you want to see all the features, I'll give you the link in the description box. And the price of this plugin is only $179 per year for a single website. And there is a 30 days money back policy also. So let's see how you can start an affiliate program on a WooCommerce website using this plugin. Here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo of WooCommerce website. Let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. I have already downloaded the plugin and it is on my computer. So let's go to upload plugins and browse the plugin file. Click on install now. Click on activate plugin. All right, here it says let's kickstart your affiliate program. Let's click on I am ready. Here you will see the tracking parameter name. This is going to be the part of URL for the referral links. You will see it here, ref. If you want to change it, you can change it. I'm going to keep it as it is. Enable use of referral coupons, that is enabled. Allow self-referral is also enabled. Let the affiliates earn commission when they buy from your store using their own affiliate link or coupons. Here you can enter the admin's email address. Click on save and next. On the next, you will see 60 days cookie duration. If you want to change the cookie duration, you can change the number from here. I'm going to keep it on 60 days. Give commission to the affiliate. First referred the customer or the last referred the customer. By default, it is set to last, so I'm going to keep it as it is. Decide whether to create the first or the last affiliate who referred the customer before a purchase. Below that, you will see default commission rate. I'm going to set it, let's say 20%. You can also use the fixed amount. I'm going to use the percentage amount. You can create unlimited custom commission plans under affiliate plans. Let's click on save and next. On the next screen, we have payouts. Refund period is 30 days. Set how many days to wait before paying the commission. You may have some refund policy on your stores, so you will need to wait for the return products. By default, it is set to 30 days. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. Minimum affiliate commission for payout is set to 50. So the affiliate will need to earn at least $50 as a commission. After that, they will get the payment. Below that, we have supported payment methods, PayPal, Stripe, coupon, and store credit. Both automatic and manual payouts are supported. Below that, we have automatic payouts. Let's click on save and next. On the next window, we have choosing affiliate. Registration form. We are going to set up a registration form where affiliate can register, or under my account page for any user there will be an option to join the affiliate program. I'll show you how does this work. I'm going to check this option. Invite users to sign up as affiliate through registration form. We have automatically created a default form. Here you will see a review page. Let's open it. And this is how the form will look. Email, phone number, website, and tell us more about yourself. A checkbox and submit. This is the affiliate joining form. And if you go back here, if you want to edit the form, you can edit the form from here. Here you will see email, first name, last name, which is enabled, way to contact. That is nothing but phone number, website, password, confirm password, about yourself, and terms and condition. So if you want to disable any one of these options, you can disable it from here. Below that, we have use existing users to grow your affiliate network and convert user by their user roles. If you have customers on your website and if you want them to be as affiliate, you can select that option and the customer will be automatically approved as affiliate. So I'm going to delete that option. Register as an affiliate, which is checked. Allow existing users to apply as affiliate directly from their My Account page. I'll show you how does this work. Click on save and next. And on the last screen, we have almost there a few more important things. Enable this to test affiliate functionality with your account. If you want to test it, you can check this option. I'm going to keep it as it is and click on ready to roll, open dashboard. So now this is the dashboard of the affiliate for WooCommerce plugin. On the dashboard right now, we do not have any affiliate, so it's not going to show anything here. If I go to campaigns, you can create different campaigns from here. These are the plans. If I click on it, you will see 20% discount plan is there. If you want to create a multi-tier discount plan, you can also create multi-tier. Let's make it 2 and the second tier will get 5%, so total commission will be 25%. This is a multi-level commission plan. If you want only one plan, you can change it to one only and click on save it. I'll show you different plans also. Pending payouts, here it will show all the pending payouts. Now let's go to settings here and you will see the basic setting that we just went through. Affiliate user role will be customer by default. Excluded product, if you want to exclude any product, you can exclude the product from here. Approval method, automatically approve all the submissions via affiliate registration form. So if someone fills up the affiliate registration form, they will be automatically approved as affiliate. If you want that, you can check this option. Then we have cookie duration and email address. Registration form, you will see the basic registration form here. Let's go back to dashboard, go to pages. Here you will see join our affiliate program. One page is already created. If I open it, you will see the same affiliate registration form is there. So you can put this form in the main menu so that user will be able to join your program. Right now, let's go to commissions. Here you will see referral commission. The store-wide default commission is already set. And lifetime commission, let's check this option. Allow affiliates to receive lifetime commissions. Affiliates will receive commissions for every sale made by the same customer linked to this affiliate. That means the affiliate will receive the commission every time customer makes a purchase who is linked to that affiliate. Below that, we have lifetime commission exclude affiliate. I'm going to click on save changes. Then we have payout. Again, the same settings are there. Payout invoice. Enable this to generate an invoice for each commission payout. And affiliates account, custom page for affiliate dashboard. If you want to create a separate page for dashboard, you can create a separate page or it will be under My Account page. Now I'm going to open this website in another browser and I'm going to sign up as affiliate. So this is the form. Let's add dummy information here. All right, enter the password, confirm the password. Below that, we have tell us more about yourself and why you would like to partner with us. All right, let's check this option and click on submit. And it says we have received your request to join our affiliate program. We will review it and we will get in touch with you soon. All right, now let's go back to admin's dashboard. Let's refresh it. And you will see that there is one application which is pending. You can approve it or you can reject it. You will see all the information here. So I'm going to approve it. All right, so this is an approved affiliate user. All right, let's go back to website and try to log into the account using the same username password. All right, now we are logged into the website using the same username password. And here on the My Account page, you will see an option affiliate. Click on it and you will be on the affiliate dashboard as affiliate user. Here you will see 0 visitors, 0 customers. Conversion is 0, recent visits, referrals, top products, recent payouts. At the top you will see profile. Let's go to profile. From here you can create a link. Right now let's go to the website and let's create a link here. Let's go to home page. And let's say I want to promote one of these products. Let's say I want to promote this product. So copy the link for this product. And I'm going to enter the link here. And you will get a referral link that you can use. So let's copy this. And now I'm going to open the same product using the referral link. and I'm going to make a purchase and see if that works. So let's add this product to the cart. Go to view cart and go to checkout, and here I'm going to enter some information so that I can make a purchase. And on this demo WooCommerce website, I have only the offline payment gateways. So I'm going to click on place order, and the order is placed successfully. Let's go back to affiliate dashboard for the user, and let's go to reports, and you will see that there is one visitor, one customer, 100% conversion. 150 is the price of the product that is purchased, that is the revenue, and the $30 is the commission that I'm going to get, that is the 20% of $150. You will see the details also, the date, link, the landing URL, converted, yes, it is converted, the device information. Here you will see the commission, $30. The order status is still pending. You will see the product also. Right now, let's go back to admin's dashboard. Let's refresh it. And you will see the details here also. One visitor, one customer, 100% conversion. Revenue is 150, commission is $30. And here you will see the affiliate user. If you have multiple affiliate users, you will see a list of all the users one by one here. And if you click on that affiliate user, you will see the details for that affiliate user. So here you will see order status is still pending. Let's go to settings here. And let's go to referrals, and here you see a checkbox, allow affiliates to earn commissions on their own orders. So in this example, this affiliate user has made a purchase using their own referral link and got a 20% commission. Let's go to affiliates again. Let's go to campaigns and click on the first campaign here. You can create multiple campaigns, and these campaign material can be used by affiliate for promoting your products. This is the campaign names, single product promotion. Destination link is the homepage of your website, and you will see all the other details for this campaign. You can activate this campaign, and all the material can be used by the affiliate user. Here you will see another campaign, email swipes, and you will see the details for this campaign. So if you want to run campaigns, you can run multiple campaigns. You can create a new campaign from here. Let's go to plans here. If you want to add a new plan, you can add a new plan. Let's click on add a plan, and this one, let's say top affiliate. I want to create a new commission plan for the top affiliates. So commission rate will be, let's say 30%. You can also use flat amount, and it will be one tier. And here you will see affiliate, any of affiliates. If you want to add individual affiliate here, you can add individual affiliate. For example, I have this new affiliate here. So for this affiliate, I am going to offer 30% as a commission. So this is a rule that you can use. Instead of affiliate, you can also use affiliate tags, last referral days. You can also set different commission rate for different products or categories. Let's say I have a product category here, men. So I can select men's product category, and 30% commission will be offered for all the products sold in this category. So you can create different commission plans based on the product category or affiliates. You can assign different tags to the affiliates, and for each affiliate tag, you can create a separate commission plan. All right, now let's go to WooCommerce orders. And we have a new order here. Let's mark this one as completed. And go back to affiliates dashboard. As an admin, you will see the order status is completed. The affiliate user will get 20% commission after 30 days waiting period. Let's go back to users affiliate dashboard, refresh it, and you will see the order status is marked as completed on affiliate user dashboard also. So it is very easy to start an affiliate program on your WooCommerce website using an affiliate for WooCommerce plugin. This is one of the best plugins available on the official WooCommerce website also. And the price of this plugin is only $179 per year for a single website. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.